my name is Amit here and I am the founder of Design and Me Elite Learning Academy. Welcome to this membership area. This is a portal where you are going to get access to the various videos, transcripts, manuals, PDFs, PPTs and everything that we have done, we have created till now with Design and Me. In this video, we are going to talk about two things. One, surprise. We didn't tell you at the time of admission, but what we have done is we have actually converted all this data into DVDs and we are going to ship it to your home. When you enroll with us, we have promised you that we are going to give you a user ID password. We have already created the same, we have already issued it. Additionally, we have downloaded and converted all this data into DVD so that you can get a ready access to the same as and when you need it. You are not going to be dependent on the speed of the internet, you are not going to be dependent on the available resources when you are traveling. So basically, this is going to be a very handy thing and we have already done this for you. Second, with this kind of training program, what I normally observe is that since there is so much of information here, we tend to get overwhelmed. So my suggestion to you is take baby steps. I am a big fan of baby steps. Go slow, take one step at a time, go from your left to your right, one at a time. There is a lot of information here, a lot of videos, a lot of manuals, but then the idea to be really successful is go slow, one at a time. And this is a comprehensive training program which is going to serve you. It will really help you to achieve peace of mind, financial freedom and career for life. Peace of mind because once you have taken admission with us, you need not worry about how's the material, how's the infrastructure, how are the faculties, whatever we are going to teach you, is it comprehensive, is it relevant, is it practical. Yes, we have taken due efforts. We have been into this training industry since almost more than a decade and with our experience now, we have converted all this material into useful training resources and we have already put it online as well as shipped the DVDs. So basically you need not worry about anything, you can afford to sit back, relax with a lot of peace of mind. Financial freedom. I strongly believe that each one of you being a part of Design and Me Elite Learning Academy deserves to achieve financial freedom. Who doesn't want to achieve financial stability and have a stable income? Probably a residual income I can say which is going to come every month or at least a guaranteed income. I know guaranteed word sounds a little dicey but yes, we are going to teach you the strategies because financial freedom according to me and the various resources I have researched, it is 80% psychology and 20% mechanics. We are going to get into more detail of how to achieve financial freedom, what are the strategies, what are the tactics and what should be actually done. But yes, with this program of Design and Me, we assure you, we promise you that you can not only have peace of mind, but then you will also have a guaranteed financial freedom. So if you want to really buy an iPhone 4S or probably the latest 5, you need not worry about the bank balance, you need not worry about whether you have that much of cash in your pocket at the moment. I mean the only thing that may stop you from investing into iPhone is you don't want to invest your hard-earned money into iPhone. Otherwise, yes, I believe that everybody, each one of us does have the right to achieve financial freedom. Career for life. It's not just an association for the duration of the course. Of course, we are going to be together. I am going to guide you every step. My excellent team, the trainers are there to support you and assist you. Not only for this duration of the module, we are going to be there of course, but also beyond that. So it's a career for life. We are going to be with you for life. What does it mean? We have a brilliant feature called as knowledge volatility. Now, change is the only thing constant in life. I am repeating, change is the only thing that is constant in life. Now, we have taken due efforts, we have done a research, we have converted all these training sessions into modules which are going to be easily accessible to you. And you can learn, you can grow intellectually, financially, emotionally, spiritually, and have a career for life. Now even after 1 year, for example, there is a slight change or there is a new way of marketing or there is a new way of teaching or there is a new way of earning money which we want to share with you. So that's the feature called as knowledge warranty, under which we are going to actually upload all these training programs in the form of DVDs, in the form of videos, and it is going to be available to you in this membership area. So as I said earlier, this is not just an association for duration of the module, it's an association for life and you can come back to me, you can come back to my excellent support team and discuss and share with us your concerns, your requirements. So maybe you need a support in terms of making a business plan, the format, you need a support in terms of marketing. You need to understand what's the latest social media thing going on, or you need to understand how to generate leads, or you need to understand how to become a more effective and a better trainer and understand the various methodologies, the new things that have come up. Yes, we are going to cover it all under knowledge warranty, and you can afford to have career for life. Now this is a wonderful feature. As you can see just behind me, there's a video. Below that video there is a column to post your comments. Now this is an area where if there's something that you have not liked in this program, anything, all you need to do is just come back to us and put a sweet little comment out here and share with us how we can make it better. This is a portal where you can share your suggestions, you can share your questions, you can share your concerns, and we will respond to it in the shortest possible time. So every video you will find below that video there is a comment column. You can just go there, you can share with us what you liked, what you didn't like, how you would like to improve upon it, and we shall take care of it. There's another feature out here where we have also built a community where you can post your suggestions or your sharings, and other fellow members who are studying with you simultaneously, like there are hundreds of students who are already enrolled with us. So they would be replying back, and they would also be helping you to in turn achieve peace of mind, financial freedom, and career for life. So this is the section for that. Last but not the least, friends, since you have already taken admission with us, let me say congratulations. Congratulations for trusting yourself. Congratulations for trusting Design and Me, and congratulations for believing in yourself. In the meanwhile, I am looking forward to connect with you in my next video. Till then, let's work together and achieve peace of mind, financial freedom, and career for life.